Hello everybody, I'm Marcia with Nature's Friends, and today we're going to be making a delicious peach cobbler. It is one of the most simplest recipes you will ever do. First of all, you're going to spray a 9 by 13 baking dish. I have my oven preheated to 350, and you don't even need a mixer. We are going to take 1 cup of this is self-rising flour. You don't have to add baking powder or baking soda to self-rising. It already has everything in there that you need. 1 cup of milk.
Whole milk?
Whole milk. 1 cup of sugar.
That's the good stuff.
Good stuff right there. 1 egg.
This is delicious.
This is a 1/2 stick of melted butter. Don't want it too hot, don't want to cook my eggs. Put that in there. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This was a recipe that my grandmother made when I was a little girl. And she would just have everything in her pantry, all kinds of canned preserved fruits. And she would actually do it with homemade applesauce, and she'd put cinnamon and nutmeg, and it was one of my favorite things. But see how easy this is? You're just going to mix this up, like I said, till you get your lumps out. Very simple here. Stir a bit.
Marcia likes it warm out the oven with ice cream.
Absolutely.
I like it cold on the counter.
But if you, the next day, just pop it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and then put your ice cream on it. That's the way, you know, he likes his cold, I like mine hot. So anyway, so that's all that is to it right there, guys. Your pan is sprayed. You're going to dump in your batter. Just like that. Now you can use any fruit that you have available, but peaches are in season right now. So we've got locally grown fresh peaches.
And it's been so hot you don't want to go outside.
No, absolutely not. We're kind of having a heat wave here in Virginia. But this was 5 peaches, ended up being about 4 cups. I sliced them, and to my peaches, to make them a little juicy, I added a 1/4 cup of sugar to these. So I did these ahead of time, let them set and make some nice juices. So all you're doing is kind of spooning your peaches on here. And when this bakes, it's just going to come up, cover them. But it is absolutely, we made one, what, a couple of weeks ago?
Yeah, and eat it every bit.
And it was so good that we had to try it again.
And of course I said, let's make a video on it.
Yeah, I'm going to share part of this today. I'm going to run it over to my Aunt Jo. She likes to cook stuff and share with me, so I'm going to share with her. So this is all you're doing. But guys, if you want to do apples in the fall of the year, add some cinnamon and nutmeg to that. I don't put any spices in with my peaches. It's just good just the way it is. So, and there's that good juice. So there we go. And it wasn't that simple and fast. So we're going to pop this in the oven for, I'm going to check it after about 35 minutes. I believe last week it did take a total of 40 minutes. But I'm going to set it for 35 and take a look at it, because you do want it golden brown. So we're going to set this timer here for 35. And we will be right back after that and take a look at it. Thank you.
Okay, it's been time's up.
Okay, it was 45 minutes, guys. And look at that. I just wish you could smell it.
I know.
And Mr. Harold, let me get some ice cream.
Marcia loves her ice cream.
Well, gotta have ice cream on Cobbler like that. Oh, look at it bubbling. Delicious, delicious. So guys, you can use your favorite fruit anytime, like I said, it's in season. So, here we go. Be careful though, it's bubbling.
Harold, you going to be the taste tester? hard to do the taste test.
Oh, and be the cameraman too. Okay. Maybe we'll just plate it up here. So see, guys, how nice. You got a nice crust, and yet you've got all that ooey gooey, wonderful deliciousness inside.
You're gonna have to try one because they are delicious.
They really are. I do believe peach is my favorite. You could use cherry pie filling. What else, honey? Fresh apples. Like I said, when it's apple season, fall of the year. Blackberries, whatever's your favorite fruit, give it a try. But anyway, guys, it's really simple. Let this batter be your go-to batter, and then put any fruit you want with it. But anyway, if you like our channel, please subscribe and hit like. And until next time,
I'm Marcia with Nature's Friends.
Oh, really? You're going to say that for me, huh? No. Anyway, guys, be safe and God bless.